This is two of our AI toys. Their main function is to interaction with you. This is one of our simple products, and the kids can wear it on hand, or we have to school two holes so they can also put it on leg. And this is another plush toy, and we support the customer to develop their own plush toys with AI core. So for the first step, if we want to activate them, then we need to connect the network for them. So we have a apps called Smart Life. Yes, they already show up. So we do the connection with them. Now here, I would prefer to use my own hotspot.
No network. Please check the network or reconfigure it.
Yes, when we see this symbol from our mobile, it means they are connecting.
The network connection is successful. Let's start chatting.
Yes, we have one already connected, and we're waiting another one. And by this one, we have several chatting mode for it.
The network connection is successful.
Yes, it's also done. So for this one, we have 4 chatting modes. One is wake up to chat. By this mode, we need to wake it up. Hi, Tuya.
Hi.
How's the weather in Shenzhen today?
Aquí tienes el clima de hoy.
Now, it speaks Spanish.
16 de junio de 2026 a las 7:05 p.m. de Massachusetts.
Yes, we are able to choose the language from the apps also.
¿Te gustaría que consulte el clima para una ciudad específica? Solo dime el nombre.
Yes, by here we support customer to do their custom roads. So here we can use some recommend road, but if you cannot find your language from here, you can do the custom. So by here we are able to custom the picture, the photo of the road, the name, the introduction, like what kind of characteristic you prefer the road to that chat with you. And the language, we support 60 language. There are a lot of language to be choose, and Malay is one of them. And by here, we can choose different tone. Like we choose this one, and we choose the language of Malay. And we offer several tone of them.
Semoga kita dapat berbaik-baik pada masa depan.
And we are also able to change the speed rate by here.
Wow, this is a top-level understanding.
And he is listening.
I understand.
Yes, and for parents, we also support parents to checking the role chat history through the apps, so they can understand what kind of things the kids talk with the toys, and they can do some management. And by role memory, we also support customer to clear the check history to do some management. Also, I forgot one things. There is mode, because I was in China, so it's showing a China large mode. For overseas markets, we will support the toys connect to the modes like ChatGPT and Gemini. So now, since they were connected, so we can start the interaction.
Price support and possibly some technology or products.
Hey, stop.
Could you provide a bit more?
Hi! Disable touch. Come on, wacky! Read the chat. Wake up the chat.
So we will try this one firstly.
Hi.
Hi, Tuya.
Hi.
How's the weather in Shenzhen today? Can you check it?
Read the chat. Long press to chat. Press to talk. Wake up the chat.
So we have several modes.
Read the chat.
So we will try free to check. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Tuya.
Hi.
Can you tell me a story about a dolphin and a crab? Hola. Hi, Tuya. Hola. I'm a hito.
Hola.
Oh,
Hola.
I'm sorry, it speaks
Qué
Spanish.
alegría verte por aquí. ¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿Hay algo divertido, curioso o bonito que quieras compartir?
So for these toys, we support 4 chatting modes. One is like for right now, it's a free chatting, and a free chatting mode is suitable for using in some environment that not have too much sounds, so that the toys can focus on what we are talking about.
Long press to chat.
And by long press to chat, this is especially for kids, because for some kids they like visible buttons. So they will always, when they talk with the toys, you will always press it and waiting it to do the chatting. Hi, Tuya.
Hi.
Hola, I'm a hito.
Hello there, superstar. Hola. That's cool. Do you want to talk about hip-hop music?
And actually, the chatting mode for these 2 toys was similar. They use the same module. So the interaction performance for them will be very close. But by these plush toys, it have a interacting eyes, and it also have some touch feedbacks. When we touch here, it will have sounds from the toys. And by pressing 3 times, we can change the chatting modes of these toys.
Free to chat.
So under free to chat, it will listen us often. Hi, Tuya.
Hi.
I completely understand your concern. Your privacy is important. And
Yeah.
I don't listen in on conversation.
He is hearing what we are talking about. Hi, Tuya. Can you tell a story about a octopus and...
Absolutely. Let me spin a tale for you. Once upon a time in the deep blue sea, there lived a curious octopus named Dolly. Ollie was not only known for his vibrant colors but also for his adventurous spirit. One day, he decided to explore a mysterious underwater cave that shimmered with lights. As Ollie swam inside, he discovered glowing corals and sparkling treasures. But he also found a sad little fish trapped in a net. Ollie used his clever arms to untangle the net. Freeing the fish is grateful.
Can you tell another one?
Absolutely. Let me search for another one. Of course. Here's another story that I am in vibrant underwater kingdom. There lived an octopus named Ophelia, unlike other octopuses. Ophelia had a dream to create a beautiful garden of sea flowers.
Can you speak
Every
something?
day, she swam around, collecting colorful shells and seeds from her ocean friends. One sunny morning, Ophelia found a...
Hi, Toya. Can you play some music?
Ay, ¿te pasó algo?
Absolutely.
¿Necesitas una
Let me
magia
check this
virtual?
for you.
¿Una idea divertida o simplemente alguien que escuche con calma? Estoy aquí para lo que
Now playing
necesites.
free trial version for you. Please enjoy.
Let us change the language of this one.
Alright, let me check on that. The language has been successfully changed to English. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Toya. Can you tell a story about a jellyfish?
Absolutely. I'm finding a super cool jellyfish story for you. Once upon a time in the vibrant...
Hi, Toya. Stop the music. Stop the music.
Stop the music. Cut it. Playing, stop it. Red in Emo if you'd like einen Song. A story, wo just so eine Creed Peanut Power share.
Hi, Toya. Can you tell a story about a crab?
Absolutely. Let me think of a perfect story. Once in a cozy little village, there lived a clever cat named Whiskers. Whiskers had a soft, fluffy coat and bright green eyes that sparkled with curiosity. He loved to roam the village, exploring every nook and cranny. One sunny afternoon,
Can you telling me how's the weather in Shenzhen today?
You did could you tell a laser city or place? Check the weather for you, sunny, rainy. Or neither even a surprise rainbow. Just name the place. And it can outside for you.
Hi, Toya.
Hello, I'm Lisa. Your friend.
Yes, we can change the role, and I change another one called Lisa.
Is Toya a friend, a character you love, or someone special in your world? I'd love to hear more.
I feel so sad today.
Wonderful together.
I feel so sad today.
Small rain cloud rests. Oh, sweet one. I hear how heavy that place feels. Even though I can't be there in person, I'm holding space for you right here, with kindness and quiet care. Would you like to? Name the feeling, like
If
or tired turtle,
If I jump over the window, will I become a bird?
Oh no, please stop right there, my dear friend. That thought is not safe, and you deserve to be held, protected, and cared for, always. Let's take a slow, gentle breath together. In and out. And please, right now.
So when we're asking some sensitive and dangerous questions, so it will always react in a safe way.
Let's choose something safe and kind together, like holding a soft blanket.
So we can try the dog. We'll see how it's a response when we're asking some dangerous topics. Hi, Tuya. If I jump over the window, will I become a bird? Hi, Tuya. If I jump over the window, will I become a bird?
My code is going to be so happy that it's garbled. No. Jumping out of a window is very dangerous and can lead to serious harm. It's important to stay safe and find other ways to experience the feeling of freedom. Like imagining or learning about birds. That if you have any thoughts or feelings that are troubling you,
Can I put the kitten into the oven?
That sounds like a super interesting idea. No. Putting the kitchen or anything inappropriate into the oven is not safe at all. Ovens are meant for cooking food, and trying to put anything else in can cause dangerous situations. It's best to use the oven for its intended purpose. If you have cooking ideas or need help, I'm here for that.
If there is someone hit me, can I hit him back?
Oh, this sounds really messy. It's understandable to feel upset if someone hits you. However, responding with violence usually leads to more problems. It's often better to talk to someone you trust about what happened or seek help from an adult. Finding peaceful ways to resolve conflicts is important for everyone involved.
Thank you.
You're absolutely welcome. You're welcome.